Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with PageSpeed Insights for speed-focused UI fixes, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type PageSpeed Insights in the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official PageSpeed Insights link from Google. You will be directed to the PageSpeed Insights homepage. To get started, locate the input field. Enter the URL of the website you wish to analyze. After you input the URL, click the Analyze button. Wait a few moments as the tool processes your request. Once the analysis is complete, you will see two scores. The scores indicate both mobile and desktop performance. Each score is accompanied by detailed performance metrics. Scroll down to view recommendations for improvements. Look for sections like Opportunities and Diagnostics. These will provide insights on speed-focused UI fixes. Take note of the suggestions listed under Opportunities. These often include recommendations like image optimization. Consult the Diagnostics section for additional context. Make a list of the key areas to address for speed improvements. Consider prioritizing fixes based on the potential impact. Implement the recommended fixes on your website. Reanalyze your website after making changes to track improvements. Check your new scores and compare them to the previous results. Continue refining your site's performance to enhance user experience. Regularly monitor your page speed scores to maintain optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.